Hey everyone, I've been using the new 2022 M1 iPad Air for over a week now as my main tablet and pretty much my main computer as a creator, designer, and small business owner. So this video is a day in the life with me and the 2022 iPad Air, brought to you by MusicBed, my #1 source for high quality curated music that I use throughout all of my YouTube videos. Learn more at the link in the description. It's a beautiful morning, one of the first real spring days of the year here in Toronto. Today I'm starting my day out at a coffee shop with the iPad Air. I like to start most mornings catching up on business emails and any customer service for my store, as well as of course catching up on Twitter and Instagram and seeing what I might have missed overnight. Today's a busy day, full of quite a variety of projects, so to stay on track, I typed up a quick to-do list in the Reminders app, which will also sync to my phone over iCloud. Of course, what's great about the iPad is the ability to go from laptop style to tablet style for drawing. I've had this wallpaper pack in my files for a minute now in Procreate, but I haven't had the chance to finish up the designs, so this morning, I'm gonna finally get those done. Despite the Air's display being 60Hz and not 120Hz like the Pro, the optimizations Apple has made here make drawing and writing and just using the iPad feel incredibly smooth and fluid. After a few hours of work, my battery is just over 80%, and it's time to move on to the first shoot of the day. I pulled up to my friend Liam's place for the shoot. This is gonna definitely be an interesting one, and we've worked on some pretty wild projects.
Okay, now let's go. You ready for this? Let's do it.
We're working on a shoot for this magazine, featuring 10 unique sandwich recipes with ingredients from a neighborhood store. We both love food, we both love cooking, and the magazine wanted to highlight some of our favorite sandwich creations. So we whipped up a quick checklist to ensure we had all the ingredients for the sandwiches, then sketched up some simple schematics to plan out the layout of the sandwiches, what they're going to look like, and the order of the ingredients. And now, it's time to get started.
They don't want you in the AMG. Mama don't want me in these streets. The hustle don't want me to get no sleep.
I'm glad we planned everything out and did some sketches, because otherwise, we'd be lost in the chaos.
I want you to ride in foreigns.
We made a variety of meat, vegetarian, and vegan sandwiches, then headed to the studio to shoot some photos. We wanted to shoot it all on iPhone for a more casual, anyone can make these sandwiches kind of feel, shooting a variety of group and individual sandwich photos in RAW. Then I airdropped the photos to the iPad to review the shots. Pretty good. I'll edit these in Lightroom later. After saying peace to Liam, I hopped back in the whip and headed home. I've had the new Taycan Cross Turismo on loan from my friends at Porsche Canada for the last few days, and simply put, it's incredible, and the sound is unbelievably cool. After getting home, I got to work on the thumbnail design for my iPad Air review, which should be live by now. I drew up a simple sketch in Procreate just so I know the style I'm going for. And now, it's time to shoot. I took 2 raw photos of the iPad, one standing and one on the Magic Keyboard. I'll blend these together. I grabbed the SD card and the adapter, imported the photos, opened them in Lightroom to make a few simple tweaks to the raw images, then shot them over to Affinity Photo for the bulk of the work. Affinity Photo is like Photoshop for the iPad, but with every feature that Photoshop for desktop has. Using the pen tool, clone stamp, paintbrush, and some other tweaks, the design is nearly complete. I'll finish this up later, but I'm pretty happy with it. It's now close to 5 o'clock and my battery is just over 50%. Then I remembered I actually have a FaceTime meeting with my friend Tom, also known as Byte Review, a super talented and wonderful YouTuber and creator.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. It's a busy time.
It's been a minute since we've chatted, so this is a great chance to catch up. Center Stage, now on the air, also makes video conversations and showing people things around my home a bit more dynamic and interactive. It's a really cool feature. We chatted about life, new tech releases, our wallpaper collections, and feature collaborations, and after nearly an hour, we both had to get going, and I had to get ready for my next project of the day.
Cheers, dude.
We'll chat soon. Peace.
But first, a quick dinner. And I also threw on a Vice doc about mafia pizza shops on YouTube. It's an interesting one for sure. After a couple slices, I got the text from my friend Patrick Tommaso. It was time for today's final shoot. But first, a quick outfit change. I sped downtown to our meeting location to meet up with Patrick and Lee, both super talented filmmakers and creators. With the release of the new Batman movie, which was excellent, we wanted to make a little Batman-inspired short film for Patrick's latest video essay, and we got to shooting. It took us from sunset into the night, and using the iPad we planned out some of the shots and kinda just figured it out as we went. With sketches and notes and the ability to easily preview shots on the big display, the iPad is really a killer sidekick for filmmaking, whether it's casual or professional. It's getting late, and we just finished shooting at around 10 o'clock. It was a lot of fun, but time to head home for the day. I changed out of the all-black outfit and sat down with the iPad to relax. Despite the iPad being a killer tool for creative work, it's also one of the best devices to consume creative work, so I threw on a couple shows to wind down the evening. It's just past 11 o'clock and the battery was just getting below 30%, and also, I'm pretty tired. It was a busy day, and the iPad Air was with me throughout all of it. And tomorrow is another busy day, but for now, good night. Okay, so this has been a pretty busy day in the life with the new 2022 iPad Air. And what's so great about the iPad Air this year is that it's virtually indistinguishable from the iPad Pro during daily usage. It's missing a few things that the Pro has, but in general, it's almost identical, but a little bit cheaper. Apple brought almost everything over from the Pro to the Air this year, and using this tablet for all of my daily tasks and work and things that are not work related, I feel like I'm not limited in any way with this device. This iPad fits so well into my life and all the things I do. Now of course the next iPad Pro will likely be a pretty big upgrade to differentiate itself from this iPad Air, but still, I'm happy with this device and I think you will be too. This video was sponsored by MusicBed. If you're like me and you know the importance of having great background tracks throughout your videos, you also know that finding the perfect track can be rather difficult. So that's where MusicBed comes in. MusicBed has an incredible library of music you can use throughout all of your video productions. Whether it be for YouTube videos, films, ads, TV shows, they have it all. They offer a great subscription program with unlimited access to their amazing collection of music based on the type of work you do. And Sync ID makes it easy to use all these tracks on YouTube without copyright strikes or other issues. They have many genres, incredible musicians, a great filtering system, tracks with lyrics and without, and you'll be able to easily find the perfect track for your next video production on MusicBed. MusicBed has been my go-to for years, and I love it. And you can get started with a free account today and sample some of their amazing music available in their catalog. And when you're ready to start using MusicBed tracks in your videos, use the code CANOOPSY22 at checkout to get 1 month free with the purchase of any annual subscription type at the link in the description. Thanks to MusicBed for sponsoring this video. So this has been a look at a day in the life with me and the new iPad Air. I want to hear your thoughts on this device in the comments down below. And let me know what you personally do on your tablet or main computer. What creative tasks have you been working on? Any special projects that you're proud of? Tell me in the comments down below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.